Today I'm tailored the AZZUNO cordless impact wrench. It's nice, so it actually comes with a case. Okay, so we got a bunch of stuff in here. We got our sockets. So we got a 17, 19, 21, and 24. That is an excellent set. So if you're going to be doing anything with lug nuts on a car, this should pretty much take care of all the sizes you need. They're all 6-point. They're all drilled out on the corners, which is good for off-corner loading. And we can see those have a hole going all the way through with a spot for an O-ring, so we can use that with a pin and O-ring in the event we don't want these to come off. Here is the impact wrench. You can see you got a nice rubber grip on there. That is a very comfortable feeling grip. And we can see that that is brushless, which is good because that means that the motor's going to have more power, the battery's going to last longer, and it's not going to produce that smoke smell that you sometimes get with brushed motors. This is kind of interesting. They actually put a cap on the anvil. I have never seen an impact wrench that comes with that, so that's nice. That is a 1/2-inch drive. We can see that also can accommodate a pin and O-ring, and that has a hob ring on it for connecting our sockets if we don't want to use that. 3 pins on the bottom. We have our belt loop, so if we want to hang this onto our belt so we can climb up a ladder or something like that, we can do that. And we got our forward and reverse. Oh, and even a rubber coated trigger. That is very premium feeling. We've got our battery. So that has 18.5 volt, 4 amp hours. So nice large battery. You can see the same thing on the bottom, the 74 watt hour. And this does have an indicator on it, and that does come fully charged, which is nice. It's a standard clip style lock. And I also appreciate seeing that each contact has 2 contacts on it. That's going to be good for carrying a lot of current. And it appears we actually have 2. So that's very nice. If you plan on running this impact all day, you're going to be able to do that, and both batteries come fully charged. That is nice. And last up, this does come with a full-on charger, so we got something we can connect these to rather than just trying to plug in a barrel connector into the battery. You can actually throw that on there to have it charged. Got a couple of LED indicators on there to let us know if it's charged. It says it's good for 110 to 240, so it's good for international or domestic. It outputs 2 amps at 21 volts. Okay, and I can feel the power on that. Now this is nice. This actually has a brake on it for when you're reversing. So you can see I got my finger on the trigger, but it has stopped. The reason that's important is because if you're going to be reversing, you don't want this thing to come smashing into your face. As soon as this is no longer impacting, it's going to stop. And it looks like we can turn that off. So we got reverse auto stop. If we hit the button, we can turn that on and off. Very nice. And we also got a light on here, and the light stays on even after we release the trigger, which is important because I've seen a lot of them where you only see the light when you're pressing it down. This is a much better system, so I can actually line everything up before I pull the trigger. So when I put that in forward, we can adjust the speed. So right now we are in high. If I hit that button, it puts it in low, medium, and high. It also comes with instructions. Oh, this is nice. So it also comes with our pin and O-rings. We've got a whole bunch of them too, so we just need one. We have a fairly tight fit for these sockets. So I'm going to put on our O-ring. We're going to line up those holes with the holes on the anvil. Then we can drop in our pin, cover that up, and that will hold it on. So there's no chance that that socket is coming off. So in the instructions it says that's good for 850 Newton meters, which is not bad, 627 foot-pounds. Depending on the speed, that'll go 1700, 2000, or 2400 RPM. Impact rate of 1500, 1800, or 2200 IPM. Sure did. Not bad. So yeah, overall, that is a pretty awesome impact.